Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Hello.
Bye.
Selamat tinggal.
Yes.
Ya.
No.
Tidak.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
You're welcome.
Sama-sama.
Sorry.
Maaf.
How are you?
Apa khabar?
Good.
Baik.
Bad.
Buruk.
It's okay.
Okey.
Maybe.
Mungkin.
Of course.
Sudah tentu. Saya.
You.
Kamu.
You.
Anda.
He.
Dia.
She.
Dia.
We.
Kami.
They.
Mereka.
What?
Apa?
When?
Bila?
Where?
Di mana?
Why?
Mengapa?
How?
Bagaimana?
Yesterday.
Semalam.
Today.
Hari ini.
Tomorrow.
Esok.
Now.
Sekarang.
Home.
Rumah.
Work.
Kerja.
Friend.
Kawan.
Family.
Keluarga.
Here.
Di sini.
There.
Di sana.
This.
Ini.
That.
Itu.
Day.
Hari.
People.
Orang.
And.
Dan.
But.
Tetapi.
Because.
Kerana.
To do.
Buat.
To go.
Pergi.
To be.
Jadi.
To have.
Ada.
To want.
Mahu.
To see.
Lihat.
To come.
Datang.
To say.
Cakap.
Quiz time.
Kamu. Kamu. Sudah tentu. Sudah tentu.
The answer is.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal.
The correct answer is
Bila. Bila. Datang. Datang. Di sana. Di sana.
The answer is
Sekarang. Sekarang. Rumah. Rumah.
The correct answer is
Pergi. Pergi. Kawan. Kawan.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.